Locomotion, or the ability to move, is something that all animals do at some stage of their life. Some animals do not move in their adult form because they anchor themselves to the ground. These organisms are called sessile. Sessile animals cannot move around to find food, shelter, or mates. Most sessile animals live in the ocean and depend on currents and waves to bring them resources. Organisms that do have the ability to move are called modal. Locomotion is important because it allows modal animals to find food, seek shelter, escape predators, and find a mate. One of the simplest modal organisms is the amoeba. Amoeba use pseudopods to slide around. Paramecia and euglena use flagella and cilia to swim around. Segmented worms like earthworms have a combination of muscles and tiny bristles called seta used for crawling. Insects and crustaceans have muscles attached to an exoskeleton, which is a skeletal system found on the outside of their body like a suit of armor. This exoskeleton, or shell, protects them but also restricts their growth. In order to grow, they must shed their exoskeleton in a process called molting. After molting, the animal must wait for a new exoskeleton to harden. It leaves the old exoskeleton behind. While insects and crustaceans have an exoskeleton, vertebrates like humans have an internal skeleton called an endoskeleton. Locomotion in humans is achieved through the interaction of the skeletal and muscular systems. The endoskeleton serves as the site for muscle attachment. The axial skeleton includes the skull, vertebrae, ribs, and breastbone. It protects vital internal organs. The appendicular skeleton includes the arms, legs, and pelvis and is responsible for mobility. Joints are places in the skeleton where bones join together. There are a number of different joint types, including a hinge joint found in your elbows and knees. A hinge joint can bend only in one direction. Ball and socket joints are found in the hips and shoulders and allow circular motion in many directions. Gliding joints are located in the wrist, ankles, and vertebral column. Gliding joints bend and twist, allowing for a good amount of flexibility. Immovable joints are found in the skull. They are simply seams between plates of bone. There is no movement allowed by these joints. Pivot joints are found in the neck and allow for a twisting motion. Joints are cushioned by a softer, flexible material called cartilage and lubricated by a fluid called synovial fluid. Tough bands of tissue called ligaments hold the bones of a joint together. Locomotion would not be possible in humans without the bones, ligaments, and joints of the skeletal system and the cooperation of the muscular system, which you will learn about in the next lesson.